Assalamu alaikum. I am Mubarak Alnabit. I will do today aircraft engine. So we will start now. We start sketching on the right plan. We sketch a geometry line and two normals, left and right, with a distance of 5300, smart dimension 5300 between them. The first line has a 1900 length. Second line has 1500 length. Then we sketch a plane connecting both lines and the dimensions of this plane and angles are set. So that's one. $5,300. That's one. $5,500. The dimension of this plane and angles are set. An angle of this one 9.68 and the second one 14 for left side. Oh, that's one wrong. We will right one, it's 13. So okay, now we remove feature was used for the main body of the engine. So we start sketching a circle on this face. Dimension 1800, and we do others. Oh, not 18, it's 3400. Then we cut extrude for 1800. So we start now sketching on the right plan a single line with angle 3 degrees, 3. Then we're using split tool. Split tool, we cut the part. With respect to the sketched line after selecting the part that needs to be cut. So now we applied felt of 18 on the edge, and another files of 50 on the inner edge. We now use the shell tool to empty the part as follows. We again start sketching on the right plan and draw parallel line to the previously drawn line with the distance of 400. Smart dimension 400. Now we use the split line to make a line on the part. Again we sketch on the right plan and draw center line and the spline line, center line, spline line. So we assign dimension to the spline line to have 100,000 and an angle of 30 on the right side. $10,000 and an angle 30 on the right side, and to have 8,500 and an angle of 25 on the left side. The wall length of the spline was assessed to 8,400. Then now the relief tool was assessed to form the inner part of the engine. Now we start sketching on the front plan, and we sketch a circle with a diameter 1300, 15, that's it, or 13, 15. Okay, done. Using the split line tool, we make a split line. No, this 1300. Remember now. So now using split line tool, we make split line. Now we make a plan. 800 from the top line, 1800. So we start sketch and draw line vertical to the original with 800 and 4000 from the origin. 1000. That's it. Now we sketch on the new plan another inclined line that it has following dimension that will make it fully defined. Next we dimension this and this as well. 75. That's great. And next we use the left face feature and selected both sketched we made on the two separate plans. Now we sketch on the drawing of the right plan a line of the length of 450 . 450 and another horizontal center line . And connect them with this plain line that has made called tangle curvature . So that's we added dimension of 1400 and an angle of 60 to the other side of the spline . And 1000 on the first side. Then we use the trim face and highlight the sketch that was made earlier. Now start sketching on the front. So wait, left, remove section, wait, front, sketch front plan and use offsite and tenses for the inner circle. Then we select the template from the molds and select the impeller body, and then we process cut bodies. Template, cut bodies, so cut. Now we use the thicken, where is it? Thicken face. So thicken face. Okay, that's it. Tool and thicken the impeller. Next we sketch again on the front plan and off side the edge of the impeller by 100. Then we use split line. Okay, we extended the offset line. What's wrong here? Okay. Don't know what's wrong here. So, okay. Oh, that's one. Split line again. So, that's the good now. Okay. We extend of the post line and we then apply the split line tool again. Offset line. Okay. And we apply the split line. And now we offset surface of the inner part by 0. Then we use the surface cut tool and select the impeller and the inner part of the engine. Now we make axis with respect to the top and right plans. Now using the circular pattern, we choose the angle to be 360, yes, degrees, and the number of patterned parts to be 80. So now we delete the surface of sides and the surface cut that we made earlier. Then we edit the revolve, edit revolve, to future to delete the consent made and move the sketch a little inside whole part. So we do it now. Delete. Okay. Then here also. That's one also. Okay. Back again, back. So, now we start sketching on the right plan again, and we make center line. Then we added these two construction geometry lines. Center line, that center line. Then we added those two construction geometry lines. Okay. First lines a length 1200, and the second line has a length of 800. So the distance between them was set 4,000, and they as 3,000 from the origin. Spline line was then added and had 3,500 with a 25-degree angle. 25-degree angle on the right, and 4,500 with 18 degree on the left. Okay, then we're using the revolve, okay, surface tool for the following shape. Now we use the thinking surface tool, make the part thinner. And now we sketch on the drawing on the right plan, and we offset this loan by 100 and far from origin by 3300 or with a length of 3000. Okay, now we draw center line, and then we use relief surface and the thicken tool again. Okay, thicken. Okay, now we sketch on the right plan and make a center line and added these 3 lines on the top of it with the following dimension to make it fully defined with respect to the original. Now we added this line and this line to close the sketch. Okay. Wait. Okay. So here. Close the sketch. Great. We added 8000 with the digital mid for the right side of the spline line. On the left side of the spline line, we set left side, that's right. So the left side 4000, smart dimension. Okay, it's wrong. Don't know what's wrong here. So, okay, 4000 for angle of 30 degrees. Okay, now we set the rest of the dimensions to the whole sketch as follows to make it fully defined. Dimension, that's also here. Okay. And here 1000, and here. Okay. Dimension here, it is 500, and here should be 1750, and here should be 2500. Okay. That's when we do it already. 1000. No, that's 1000. So also here should be 700. It should be close. Now we use the post extrude feature with 600 extrude and a made plan option. Okay. Now we use the draft tool with the front plan, okay, and draft the extrude part as follow. Then we plot on the right plan and make the following sketch and close it with the spline line. Added center line. Okay. Okay. Close it with spline line. Okay. Added length of 200 and 5800 as follows. Then use the cut revolve. We make the following cut. Okay. Now we use the combine tool. Okay. To combine the following parts. Now we added fillets of 300 on the both side. That side 300. Okay, and this side also 300. And another fillet of 200, 220 on the edge of both sides. Then one more fillet of here, both side, 200, 220, okay. And one more fillet with 1400, okay, on this three edges. Okay, that's one, and that's one, and that's one as well. Now we added colors to the apparel. What's color? Oh, black. Okay, black. Pillar. Okay, all of it should be black. Okay. This one also, this one. Then we added colors to the outer part of the engine. That's also all of it. That's one. Now it's done. And then we sketch a circle, okay, with circle here, yes, so circle 280 millimeter diameter, and then added helix spiral sketch with respect to that circle. Patch will be colors. Maybe here's something wrong. Okay. Okay. Yes. So. Okay. Okay. So did some color here to make it clear. Okay, difference. There should be 30. So we did here some color also. Should write 0.23. Okay. And okay, also here. So good. Wait. Okay, we'll check here. 280. That's okay. Okay. Helix spiral again. 5 pitch will be 500 and revolution of 3 and start angle of 183. Okay, love. So and start 180. Okay, start angle 180. Okay, then we use the offset intent, and we offset the sketch and close it with 2 lines. 2 lines. Okay. Offset Then we split line to reflect the sketch on the part and get this helix shape. Helix shape. Split. Okay. 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 Now we added colors to the helix shape. Helix shape. Okay. And then the parts is ready and done. Dimension. That's it. Okay. Okay. Now it's ready and done. That's my work for today. Thank you very much. See you next time.